Take my Ombre Tote Creative Spark class and learn how to make a professional bag using my shortcuts and designer tricks. I share with you the best place to put your efforts and areas to focus on so you get boutique results. Your bag will not look homemade, but rather handcrafted with details such as metal D-rings, matchstick quilting, and refined trim. I teach you how to design with sky ombre colors to create this stunning triangle motif and that fabulous minigun detail. Also, we go over how to create box corners, perfect pockets, and French seams, which makes the interior of your bag look as good as the exterior. We discuss all the options you have to tailor the size of your tote, audition different ombre color layouts, and different ways to use craft text and other options you have to create your personal tote. I really hope you'll join me and let your creativity blossom because I helped you learn the skills you need to be confident, capable, and successful at making your own unique ombre tote. Yes, I made this will be an exclamation you share with a smile and sense of pride.